Today, I'm going to show you how to send cryptocurrency directly to Brazilian bank accounts using RedotPay. Step 1. Go to the transfer page on the home screen. Tap Send, then select Bank Account to access the transfer page. Choose your preferred cryptocurrency, like USDC, USDT, BTC, or ETH, and enter the amount. The system will automatically calculate the equivalent value in BRL. Step 2. Add the recipient. Tap Add Recipient and fill in the recipient's bank details. This includes the recipient name, PIX key type, and PIX key. Step 3. Review and confirm. Double-check all the order details and then proceed with payment to complete the transfer. Please note, minimum transfer amounts may vary depending on the cryptocurrency. Check the on-screen instructions for guidance. Processing times may vary based on the payout method, receiving currency, and destination country. Always refer to the on-screen instructions when submitting a payout. For more information, you can check the multi-market payout FAQ in the RedotPay app, and that's it. Following these steps allows you to quickly and securely send crypto to Brazilian bank accounts.